Notifications. In this lecture, I will show you how you use the notifications in Shopify. Right over here, you got the settings and do notifications. And once you're there, you will see that these are all automatically emails. They will be sent to the customer if the customer cancel his order or ask a refund. So this is going all automatically and you don't have to do anything. So that's great. So we'll take a look at the other refund. There will shows up a bunch of code, but you must ignore that. That's already set it up for you. You don't have to do it because if you see here a bunch of code, and you will preview it how it looks. So don't change anything in the code, only if you have experience with that. So this is how it looks if someone asks a refund, and it will be emailed to the user like this. And yeah, that's great. So that's probably notifications in Shopify. I want to thank you for watching, and I'm proud that you're my student, and I will see you soon. Thanks.